how to put a drill bit in an impact driver. Now here is our DeWALT Impact Driver, and we have two different types of drill bits. So we have here with a hex shape at the end. Now this will work without any other bits of kit. All you need to do, as you can see, it goes in the end here, but you first need to hold the sleeve and pull it forward. You can see that, and then it allows it to slip in, release the sleeve, and now that's the drill bit stuck in securely. To remove it, pull the sleeve out and remove your bit. Now if you have bits like this, which many people will, if you put it in, even with the sleeve pulled out like that, it just pops out because there's no hex section here to keep it in place. So you're going to need a drill bit holder with a hex shape like this. You can get a cheap one like this, but I recommend DeWALT's own. This has a drill drive section like this, what helps you drive screws. Do the same, pull the sleeve back, enter it in, there we go, and this will allow you to use drill bits without the hex shape. It's magnetic, so it'll just keep it in like that. So hopefully that shows you a couple of different ways how to put a drill bit into an impact driver.